Hey plant pals, it's Mike the Candid Gardener. Today's video is a secret about Aerogarden seed pods. Now, I love Aerogarden, as everybody knows. I love their products, and I like to buy their seed pod kits. But one secret a lot of people don't know is that a lot of people do know because they guarantee germination. But how do they guarantee germination is they plant several seeds per pod. So if you get successful germination, like I have here, that's great. You will grow a nice healthy plant. But the secret I'm going to tell you about is oftentimes, let me move this light up here out of the way, oftentimes you will get several seeds to germinate, like I have back here. As you can see, there's 2 or 3 extras in that one. And there's a couple extras in this one. And so what I do is I will pluck those out, and I'll show that in a minute. I'm going to pull some of the extras out because normally what they expect you to do is once the plant starts, a lot of new people growing in Aerogarden will just leave them in there, and then the plants will suffocate, and the strongest one will survive, and the person doesn't know any better, and they're happy because they have a plant. But I say, why waste several seeds and several plants when you can do something with them? And so I've already, this one had like 6 extras in here, and I put 2 extra in this extra unit pod here. I got 1 here, and then I will show in my experimental area, I've got 6 more growing in different ways, and I'll show you a way that I like to grow. I will be right back. So as you can see here, I have 2 growing in this. Those are 2 ones I pulled. There's 2 plants here. I can separate them. There we go. So there's 2 growing in this here. That's just cocoa coir, perlite, and vermiculite, in a 3-inch cup in a mason jar full of a plant food solution. And I have 2 here, and I have 2 here, and I have 2 here. So, as you can see, those are all plants that I've harvested from just 4 Aerogarden pods. Be right back. So that's 12 plants extra from just 4 pods kits. And so what I will do is I will pluck those extras. I have 2 extras left I haven't done anything with. I'll pluck those 2. I'm going to show you how I will take this sponge, put it in this basket, put it in this jar, put the lid on. Actually, put the lid on, put it in the jar, put the paper bag over the jar to block the light, put the plant food solution in, and we will be good to go. And I will demonstrate that. Let's see if I can do it one-handed here. There's actually 3. I see 3 extra plants. And this looks mean, but it doesn't really hurt it. See, there's a little root left there. So I pulled the one, and I'm going to pull one of these 2 guys extra out. Hopefully leaving the other one intact. I really should have, nope, see, I tore the root. So that one's a goner, probably. But we are still good to go. We still have the one, so I will be right back. Okay, yeah, I'm kind of sad I didn't save that one. I mean, I could still try. It still might grow roots, but we've got tons. Like I said, I've got 12 extras for free. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this soil sponge. I'm going to cut a slit in it lengthwise. And then I'm going to put the seedling into it. Put that into the thing. And I will demonstrate that. I'll be right back. Okay, I think I'm set up enough where I can show this. Demonstrate everything. Just take the scissors, cut down the middle, and I like to cut a little roots breathing room on the bottom here. And then also give it a little extra just in case it wants to come out here. Sometimes they're kind of tough, especially for a new seedling, if it's not started in it. Open that up like this. Put this little filler in here. Make sure he's got enough sticking at the top. And what I also like to do is pre-cover to block the light. You don't have to do this, but I like to, just as a added insurance. Poke a little hole with my scissors. Take the seedling, make the hole a little bit bigger, push it down just so that it's like that. Okay? And then what we're going to do is set this guy here for a second. I'm going to fill up the jar with the plant food solution. Measure it about there. Screw on the top. And this is just a plastic lid that I cut a hole in with a hole saw. I'll have to demonstrate that at some point. It was really simple to do. Just use a cordless drill and a hole saw attachment. Drop our seedling into there. This is a paper bag that I folded down. Drop him into here. Take my rubber binder. Come up a little bit to block the light. And there you have it. We have our Aerogarden heirloom cherry tomato growing in a jar. It may live, it may not. I've had pretty much 80% of them survive and do fine and great, and go on to grow me nice, delicious tomatoes. So I'm going to put that into my experimental shelf, and I will report back to you on the future. But that's just a little tip. So don't just take a scissors and just kill your extra plants when you can save them and grow them. You can even put them outside. Grow them in soil if you have a warmer climate. I live in zone 4. I don't have that luxury. I have to grow most of my stuff indoors year round. And so this helps me out. This saves me money. But don't be bashful about buying the Aerogarden pod kits and thinning out the extras and using them. All right. Hope that was helpful. Any questions, comments, leave in the comment section. And please like and subscribe. Have a great day.